I'm just here nearby, living here nearby. Yeah. You live here nearby?
Mutina, Al-Mutina.
Al Mutina is this? Yeah, it's nearby.
Near.
So you don't understand Hindi language? Little bit even. कहाँ जा रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं, क्या हुआ? You don't know? You know, miss, I can tell you some words. It's very interesting, funny, like good. Actually, I'm from India to Hyderabad. We use Urdu language. Urdu Hindi is just little bit difference. Yeah. And how long ago for you here? You just come on visit?
No, this is 2 months.
So how many days it left from your visa, or
1 month is over.
1 month is spent? Okay. Bro, did you went there? You know, in Dubai, like for property, for schools, for hospitals, there are specific places in Dubai. Schools, somebody there, all schools are there. So for I'm saying like hospitals, medical center,
Some places.
yeah, like so many hospitals, medical you can find there. So you visited that places and you drop CV and you talk with them.
Oh, yes, yes. In a healthcare center,
Healthcare center. What they say to you?
I just dropped the CV, but no written minutes.
Not
Now
get
my
reply.
thought is any job also okay. Firstly, financially settled. That
Any job.
any job is okay.
Okay, you are on visit, right? Like, can I ask in which field? Not field, like you have been experienced most in India, right? What was the field you work in India?
Medical field only.
There is a lot of field in medical. What you did, like
ICU.
ICU, okay, in emergency sector. Okay, nice. Something specialist,
Doctor assistant.
doctor assistant. Uh-huh. And this is first time for you in Dubai.
No,
Like in other fields, what you can work, what you are thinking to work,
accounts department. That
Acca-
like
accounts.
accounts.
Another,
Another means exactly I don't know.
because right now in Dubai I have worked for someone who have own visa, who are in residence own visa. Some have for bike delivery, food delivery. Something have for solar plant, who install like solar plant for them. Noon warehouse company for packing something.
Yes.
It's for own visa, and for visit I have in restaurants, like normal job restaurants,
Restaurants, what kind of job?
like the waiters, for have waiters something is there. They get salary 1500 and they get accommodation and food
1500 means how much?
1500.
1005.
Yeah,
With food and accommodation.
yeah, yeah. And I will let you know. You give me your CV, so I will let you know.
Your number.
In my reference, maybe you will get work. Lot of people send me messages for job on my Instagram and WhatsApp.
Okay.
I make videos, so I'm trying to help people to get work. Yeah,
It's a good thing.
get my number 055 30 786 39. Send me a message on WhatsApp. So
Okay.
yeah, send your CV. Inshallah, you will work. You will get the work soon.
Your good name?
Mohsin.
Mohsin.
Mohsin. My surname is Masqati. Mohsin Masqati.
Had dinner? Dinner over?
Dinner? Yeah, I finished.
You
Yes.
stay with family or other?
Yeah, here my family is there here in Dubai, in UAE, but I live here. I have relatives. There are a lot. They live some places in Dubai, in Fujairah, in everywhere. They are around in the UAE, around other countries. They are here. A lot of, yeah. So I'm living here in Dubai, and I wanna tell you, bro, like, you just come first time in Dubai, right?
Oh, yes.
How is the experience for you
Experience is good only, but I can't enjoy
without job?
without job. I can't enjoy.
Mhm. Do you make videos on YouTube, on somewhere social media you like?
I like, but I can't do like this.
Why?
I am, my mind is so struggling.
Struggle.
Financially struggling. 1 month got over. No job.
Okay, no job, no work. But I'm asking like someone make me videos on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook, on TikTok, everywhere. So showing something, places, talking about, making videos, something on topics. Do you like that? This
Like only, but little fear.
in camera to making the videos you don't like. Oh. Yeah, bro. Text me on WhatsApp. So you have data now, internet. You have
Normally, I'm doing a passion is morning. Morning. Is
modeling. So you have something videos. You uploaded videos.
Only two shows only I went. After chance you came,
Mhm.
but I came
In India,
in India.
they pay you.
No, I paid and because first 2 times no, I'm very run walk only go. Designer walk and run walk.
Yeah, you work and you pay them. How much?
4,500 Indian amount.
To just walking in the show.
Walking
As
for the
modeling.
company.
Uh-huh. And you just wear the suit, something dress,
Yes.
and you on the street like you walk, you show your modeling, how you walk something. If they like, then
If they like, we give a chances, more chances.
to perform any other stage,
Stage.
other place. For entry for registration, registered place, something
for
you have to pay.
Yes, I have.
Starting this, yeah. Hi, bro. Welcome, salam. Yes.
Okay,
Before you go, just
I text you.
a moment. I'm just thinking to